Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your VS Code version and OS match the extension requirements, and update if needed. Once done, run VS Code with elevated permissions. On Windows, use Run as administrator, because file access or install permissions often block extensions. Make sure to disable other extensions that might conflict, and check proxy or firewall settings so downloads succeed. Doing these first cuts out common blockers and prepares the environment for a clean install. Now you perform the detailed installation. Try the Marketplace button first, and if that fails, use the CLI command code Install Extension Publisher. Extension name to see explicit errors. Once done, open View right arrow output and pick the extensions log, and also open Developer Tools. These logs reveal the how and why of failures, like certificate or permission errors. If the online install still fails, download the v6 file manually and install it locally so you control the transfer and can bypass transient network issues. To finish, restart VS Code and reload the window so the new extension activates. Then verify it is enabled and the version matches expectations. If activation fails, clear the extension cache and reinstall. Remove the ~/ vscode/extensions folder or the Windows equivalent to eliminate corruption. Make sure your antivirus or firewall isn't quarantining files. If problems persist, install the trusted v6 offline to isolate network or certificate issues. This often reveals whether the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.